Too easy. Oh, you should make the camel sit down and she has to get on like that.
Come.
Yeah, okay. It's too easy. You should make the camel sit down.
No, this is fine.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Patricia, Queen of the Desert. Let's gallop.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Come on.
This is 1,000 acres. And then we have the harvest only once a year.
Yes.
So, and there's
It's
a big problem.
The purple colour, can't you? Yeah.
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 From this cover, we just peel off the hard portion and then
Yeah.
boiled it. Then squeeze out the sap.
Yeah.
Then mixed with the sugar and again boil it. When it gets thick,
Yes.
we keep it in a bottle. And whenever we need, we just mix some water.
Water
and
and oh, how it was lovely. It was delicious.
Holland, isn't it? Was sort of
Yes, all the sort of stomachy.
Katri, Hatri, Padetri, Sarviri, Namachidaya, Tamisran, Ramasi, Tanustura, Dhira, Vasinavaga, Nandanabi, Satyat Sanda, Satyanda, Dradavradam, Anji Chigi, Dandanidi,
Beautiful place. Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
At the time of snake boat races, we have songs which are sung while rowing, yawing, and like that.
Yeah.
There are some. നിന്നെ കാണാൻ എന്നെക്കാളും ചന്തം തോന്നും കുഞ്ഞിപ്പെണ്ണേ എന്നിട്ടെന്തേ നിന്നെ കെട്ടാൻ ഇന്നേ വരെ വന്നില്ലാരും നിന്നെ കാണാൻ എന്നെക്കാളും ചന്തം തോന്നും കുഞ്ഞിപ്പെണ്ണേ എന്നിട്ടെന്തേ നിന്നെ കെട്ടാൻ ഇന്നേ വരെ വന്നില്ലാരും കാതിരാണേ